Hi, this is Rick Savitsky from Chortek. In this video, I'm going to highlight some of the technology that our team uses to help serve our manufacturing customers as effectively and efficiently as possible, and then explain why we're making this investment in technology. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to walk you through a few examples and then invite you to follow up to learn more. I'm going to explain these and then I'll throw up a slide with a few bullet points in just a moment. Number one, we use process automation tools, Zapier, Microsoft Power Automate, to set up and execute standardized steps and processes that happen every time like an email lands into a shared mailbox or when a file hits a particular folder. And these processes run ideally hands-free so that ultimately attachments can get extracted or documents can be matched and reviewed to streamline manual manipulation of files and folders and so on. So the idea is we use these tools with our customers, or in some cases just internally on behalf of our customers, to get the work done as efficiently as possible. Number two, we use a special purpose tool called Karbon that we use to collaborate on weekly and monthly checklists of tasks that need to get done in support of a month close and issuance of an internal financial report. In some cases there's tasks that you as a manufacturing client of Chortek need to do, so it's a standard easy way to see what those are, when they're due, how to get information to us, and then when those are all done our team gets notified so we can efficiently work through our process, go through our quality review, and then issue the internal financial reports. Which leads me to number three. We use two modern data analytic tools, Fathom and Microsoft Power BI, to work with you and collaborate with you on interpreting the financial performance of the company. And not just historically, but also KPIs, leading indicators of where things are moving to, including dynamic financial forecasting. So why do we make the investment in technology? It's to save time so that we can spend the time with you, actually having meetings and discussing financial results and collaborating together. If that's of interest to you, please go ahead and book some time with us. We'd love to talk to you, understand your current processes, your current goals, objectives, and how we can work together and help you improve. Check out our other videos. If this is helpful, give it a like or share it with someone also who might benefit. Thanks a lot. Bye.